Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to deposit crypto into our Abbado web trader account if you have a MetaMask wallet. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to click our email at the top right corner. Then we're going to click deposit funds. Now they have two options, bank transfer or crypto. So let's go ahead and click crypto. Now we're going to enter the amount in USD. So for this example, I'm just going to transfer $20. So I'll just put in 20. Now we'll click proceed, click continue funding. Now it's going to open up the deposit payment page. Now over here, if you click choose currency, we're going to get options for all of the different cryptocurrencies that are accepted. Now you can see there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, even Dogecoin or Solana. Now for this example, let's select Tether on USDT Ethereum network. Now you want to always make sure you're selecting the correct network here plus wherever you're sending it from. So over here, we're going to do it on the Ethereum network. Let's go ahead and click USDT. Now we're going to click proceed to payment. Now here we see our wallet address that we need to send the funds to. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the steps on my phone. So let's go ahead and click MetaMask. Now, right here, we're going to select Tether USD. And now I'm going to click send. And here, I can just scan the QR code. All right, so if I click right here where it says to, there's a scan button. So I'm just going to click scan. And there we go. Now I can just go ahead and scan this QR code, and it auto fills in the wallet address. Now you can always copy this wallet address as well, and the exact amount to pay is always shown up here. Now let's go ahead and click next. Now I'm going to enter 20, and I'm going to click next again on MetaMask. And now I'm going to click send on MetaMask. There we go. It says transaction submitted. There we go. It says transaction complete on my MetaMask. Now, in a few seconds, it's going to show right here. There we go. It shows confirming on blockchain. So now we just have to wait for the funds to clear. So this usually takes just a few minutes. And then once the transaction is complete, it's going to say return to page. And then we can go back into our Abbado account and it's going to be funded. So we'll just wait for this to confirm, and then it will be reflected in our Abbado account. So you guys can see right here, the current balance is 432. So we'll just wait for this to confirm. There we go. So it says payment complete. Now, what we can do is if we go back to Abbado, there we go. It says your balance has changed. So from 432, let me just refresh right up here. There we go, 452. So that's exactly the process of depositing into your Abbado web trader account using a MetaMask wallet.